Here's what you're going to need for this course. Number 1, a browser that's connected to the internet. Number 2, you're going to need somewhere to host your Drupal site. Now, we're going to give you several options, but probably the easiest one is Acquia's Dev Desktop. Once again, we're really pleased to be partnering with Acquia for this class, and so we're recommending that as the easiest solution. You'll need either a Mac or a PC to do that, and of course, we're going to walk you through the entire installation process starting in the next video. If you want to try installing your site on Acquia's cloud environment, it's free to try out, and the URL is acquia.com/products-services/acquia-cloud. It'll be a bit slower because you'll be working online and it'll be dependent on your internet speed, but it's a great cloud solution. If you'd rather put this out online somewhere, you'll need a web host that will support Drupal. And so you'll want to pay attention to that video, especially because Drupal's requirements have changed. And number 3, you need a plan. Well, here it is. This is our 7-step process to building a Drupal site. The first step, of course, is planning. Now, planning usually takes 50% of your build time. And in fact, everything we'll do in this course is part of the planning process. Typically, you should know everything about your Drupal site before you even install Drupal. That's including all the layouts, the designs, every block, every view, and all the things we haven't talked about yet. These things need to be thought through, really, before you start. Drupal's not the kind of CMS you want to kind of just fly by the seat of your pants with. So we've done the planning for you, and it's demonstrated by the outline of this course. In fact, not planning well is perfectly illustrated in this YouTube video. Yeah, I don't think you want to be like that. We'll refer back to this 7-step process many times throughout the course. So while planning is the first step for at least this Drupal site, we've done it for you. All right, now that we know what we need, let's move on to getting Drupal installed.